we're just showing how to install a freeze miser on one of these chicken waters. You just put a T on it, and put it off to the side.
And that's what, a 3/4 inch?
This is all half-inch PVC. You could do it with any size you want to. I just did it with half-inch because that is half-inch and is easy to match up. Okay, now I'll turn on the water. Okay, this thing works by weight. When if you lift it up, it turns off, and then when it gets enough weight in the bowl, it turns it off. Now, if it gets cold, below 37 degrees, this will start dripping, and it will fill this up, and it will fill it up enough that the brass is in the water. Now that brass is controlled by the water temperature in here, so that if you try to get a little ice or something in here, it will put out more water and keep it from freezing. So this is totally a weight controlled deal.